equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap. Ensure you are working in a clean, static-free environment to avoid damaging the components. Start by powering off the Asus ROG G513 and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the back panel by unscrewing the screws located at the base of the laptop. Keep these screws organized, as they vary in size. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage the clips. Next, locate the battery connector and carefully disconnect it. This step is crucial to prevent any electrical shorts during the repair. If you're unsure about handling this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice before proceeding. Now, let's focus on the motherboard. Remove the screws securing the motherboard in place. Be mindful of the various connectors and cables attached to it. Use tweezers to disconnect any ribbon cables gently. If you find this process daunting, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, which makes it easier for you to get your laptop repaired without any hassle. Once the motherboard is free, you can replace it with the new one. Align it carefully and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect all the cables and ensure everything is seated properly. Now, let's move on to the screen replacement. Carefully detach the old screen from the hinges. This may require some force, but be cautious not to damage the surrounding components. If you're feeling uncertain, remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision. Install the new screen by aligning it with the hinges and securing it in place. Reconnect the display cable, ensuring it's firmly attached. Before reassembling the back cover, it's a good idea to clean the internal components with compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This will help maintain optimal performance. Finally, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert all screws, ensuring they are tightened securely. Power on your Asus ROG G513 to test the new screen and motherboard. If everything functions correctly, congratulations on completing the repair. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help you every step of the way. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.